Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to make Mozilla Firefox default browser in Windows 11. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Apps from the left side list. Go to Default Apps. Scroll down and look for Firefox. Click on it. You will see a list of file types. Click on the browser under the file type that you need and choose Firefox from the list. Click OK. Repeat if needed. You can choose any browser that you have installed on your PC. Click on the browser under the file type that you need and choose Firefox or any other web browser from the list. Click OK. You can do the same via Firefox. Open the web browser. Click on the burger menu at the top right corner of the window. Select Settings from the list. Select General from the left side list. Click on Make Default button. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!